Hey everybody, this is Sierra Janelle and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the LV Bandeau. The official name of it is the Monogram Confidential Bandeau. So if you are considering purchasing this item, I'm going to tell you all the reasons on why you should, and the reasons that I ultimately ended up purchasing it, as well as prices, details, and as well as styling tips on how you can rock this, how you can style it, ways that you can wear it. So let's get right into the video. All right, so let's hop right into it. I don't know if you see, but this is my Essentials kind of zip up hoodie. It also has Essentials Spirit Guide on the sleeve, and then it also has Essentials on the back. I love it. This is a size small. I was trying to get the extra small, but it sold out when it was in my cart, so I just opted for the small. It is a little big on me. I can stand up and show you, but not really, now that I'm looking at it. So this is what this looks like, if you were wondering. Again, another purchase that I like. But today I'm going to be reviewing the bandeau that I recently had received. This is the box that it comes in. Again, like I said, the official name of it is the Monogram Confidential Bandeau. So let's hop right into it. This is the box that it comes in. I like the little pull-out drawer. I think it's really, really cute. Again, nothing special per se. It has a little LV sticker on it, but I took it off because I have worn this scarf before. So this is what this looks like. This is the box that I keep it in when I'm not wearing it. And then this is the pattern and style that it comes in. So this is what this looks like, and then it has a little tag in here as well. And then this is what the fabric looks like. So like I said, I have worn this a couple of times, so I'm gonna just let you know a couple of different ways that you can wear it. Okay, so the first way that I am going to style it, which I'm sure a lot of people have, and what I have done in the past, because like I said, I've worn this one time when I had my hair like down and curled. It's just, of course, like this. I like to put it a little bit above my edges and then really kind of go crazy with my edges. So of course, this is the first and probably the most popular way to wear your headband. I think this is really cute for the summertime, and then if you're on vacation, because most of the time I have my hair just down, but you know, in case it gets wet or something like this, you can still look stylish and wear it this way. I kind of like having them both like this, like it's a little kind of like an extended ponytail, and you can wear different ways like that. I would probably put my hair in a bun like this and wear it like this. So this, of course, is one way. And I would probably go super crazy with my edges too, you know, just so, you know, it could pop out a little bit. So this is how I would wear this. I love to have it in the front with a little white flowy dress. I really love that. So this is one option that you can wear it. And then if we are sticking with the headband, you can also I don't like this way, FYI, I hate it almost. You can wear it like this. I think this looks dumb and stupid, but I've seen some people pull it off and have it like this. Of course, I would probably have like bone straight hair, but this is another way you can put it, kind of like going across instead of like down and across. So this is another way that you can put it. Again, I wouldn't recommend it. I think it looks a little funky, but again, to each his own. Again, just another way to show you how to wear it as a headband. Okay, so another way that you can wear this is with a bag and then tie it kind of like on one of the handles. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna tie it like this and then do a little bow, kind of like you tying your shoes. So this is one way that you can do it as well, just as a cute accessory on your bag. I believe this is called the Graceful, if I'm not mistaken. I can leave the link down below, but this is what this looks like. Just a cute little, again, just a little accessory piece that you can put in your bag. So this is what this looks like. And I think this is so cute, especially maybe not with a bigger bag like this, but like the mini bags or little small bags. I think that would be a really, really cute accessory to do it that way as well. All right, so another way you can wear this is as like a necktie. Again, I wouldn't per se, but I've seen people do it. It could be a little cute. I can kind of see this with a white button down shirt. Probably your hair in a bun. Again, I could definitely see it, and kind of have this, so one is a little longer than the other, and just kind of have it like this. I've definitely seen it done before. Not my style, but now that I'm thinking about it, you can do a little something with it, now that I'm thinking about it. So this is another way that you could style it as well. All right, so going into the specs, like I said, this does retail for $210. The website said that this is 47 inches long this way and then 3.1 inches across. So that is what the specs are when it comes to the size of this scarf. It is pretty long, I would have to say. So I definitely can see the 47 inches in here, and then like I said, the 3.1 inches across here. Another thing that it is 100% silk twill, so that is something to take in consideration. I know some people aren't going to spend that much money on a scarf, especially if you can only wear it in a couple of different ways, but if you compare it to other brands, the headband is more costly. So I would definitely, if you're going to use it as a headband, I would probably go for this one, especially if you want a designer type of headband, and the fact that you can wear it, you know, on your purse as well. I think it's worth the money. It's definitely great as a gift if you know someone who would like it. So that is pretty much it when it comes to the scarf. It's very simple. It does have like these little things that kind of help you fold it a little better, which I like as well. I'm sure that will break down once I wear it more. I'm sure that will kind of fade away once I wear it more, but it helps me like fold it back into this perfect rectangle, and then once I'm done with it, I just put it back in a box for storage purposes. When it comes to cleaning it, I would not put it in a washer. I would just hand wash it and let it dry. Especially if you wear it on your hair, you know, you don't want to get the oils and everything from your hair to be on your scarf, because at that point it might not come out. So if you do notice like an oil stain from your hair, please go ahead and wash it. But that's pretty much it when it comes to this. I'll definitely recommend it. And I'll also link down below the exact item where you can get it from the Louis Vuitton store, either store or online. Stuff like this I'll buy online, but when it comes to purses and belts and things of that nature, I definitely want to go into the store and see how big it really is. But when it comes to this, like it's pretty standard. You probably aren't gonna wear it for one or two things. So this is it. If you do have any comments or questions, please feel free to comment down below. You can hit me up on Instagram and on YouTube if you do happen to have any questions. So once again, thanks for watching and have a great day. Stay safe as well, guys.